What's Ross doing? He's going to try to resurrect this chunk of rusty iron that he just dug out of his backyard. To loosen the rust, we'd want to let it sit in something acidic. Vinegar's often used, but I'm going to use photographic stop bath because it's like vinegar on steroids. Last night, midway through the soak, I gave it a brushing with a wire brush, and it kind of goes a little like this. You want to dispose of your acid safely, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to give the bar a rinse. So following the rinse, I'm going to knock off some of the high parts from the pitted surface using a sanding ball. It's not a chunk of rusty metal anymore. It's a perfectly patinaed pry bar, and I have to decide how much of that patina I want to keep. I quite like it. I don't want to erase the history of it. I think I'm just going to polish the tips. This is a tool for prying things. I don't need a mirror finish. I'm going to start it with 40 grit. I may even end at 40 grit. But this is going to take forever because there's decades of wear, so let's move to something more mechanized. This should speed it up. So now that I'm happy with both the sanding and the patina, I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to try to protect the surface using a bit of oil on a rag, and that should keep it from rusting. I might get a couple more decades use out of this thing, who knew? Started out as a rusty bar that I found in the backyard, and now it's actually a useful tool. Again.